Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset Kasa Smart Wi-Fi Plug Mini. First, you have to plug it into the outlet like this, and as you already see, this one is already connected because the light is steady. But to reset it, to be able to connect it to the app, basically first you have to reset it. To reset it, you have to hold that button for a few seconds, and now you can see that the plug is in reset mode. The next step is to log in inside your Casa app. If you don't have the app, my recommendation is to download it from the store. It could be a Google store or Apple store, and then I'll show you how to do it there. And now you can see the plug is on, and yeah, it looks like everything works as expected. Thanks for watching, folks, and have a good day. Bye.